It's food o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. Today we're going to be taking a look at some new McCain Firecracker Wedges. Now I walked past these in the supermarket, kind of stepped back, had another look, because they got that chili gauge, and I was like, ooh, these could be hot. These could be hot. And they've got, I don't know if you can see that, hot, hot, hot written down the side. Damn hot, too hot to handle. We'll never know, will we? We will never know until we get them in the air fryer and see what we get. So here we go then. Ooh, look at them. Look at them. Oh yes. Right. Look at them for wedges. Right, the next time you see these, they're going to be all sizzling and like in about 25 minutes. Yeah, they're all going to be sizzling and lovely. Back in a moment. Okay, these firecracker wedges from McCain are ready. Got my bowl ready to go. Here's a look at them. They weren't quite as sizzling as I was imagining. I thought they were going to be coming out of there really sizzling, like some chips do, but probably quite dry in a sense. I think the air fryer does that. You can either, if you put something like beef fat, beef dripping chips in there, then yeah, you're going to have a really good sizzle. But I think something like this, not so much. Oh, look at this. Right, so too hot to handle firecracker wedges. Ooh. Oh. Oh, they've got a kick. Wow. Pardon me. Oh. They've got a right fiery kick on the back of the throat. Really good. Really good wedge, chip, call it what you want. Let's kind of break one open for you. So loads of fluffy potato in there. I think there's skin on. In some parts you can taste the skin. Oh, but the kick. That's what you're all here for. That fiery kick, yeah. It's a nice level. It's a bit more than... I've had some hot Cajun chicken in my time. It's probably double the heat of some Cajun chicken. So I picked them up in Iceland. When I was there buying the Space Raider, the beef Space Raider and the pickled onion stuff, there was like a massive new range of stuff coming in. So I thought, right, pick everything up while I'm here. Hence, recently, all of the the Iceland videos. But they're a type of frozen supermarket, aren't they? That, I mean, there's nothing saying you can't pick these up in Tesco's or Morrison's or some of the other supermarkets, but I think Iceland hold on to the fun aspect a little bit of life, don't they? Like, I mean, potato beef space raiders. How amazing is that? To go in the oven. Firecracker wedges, and you can buy kind of double-decker pizzas, and it's just a bit of fun. It's a bit of fun. It's a different kind of style of supermarket from, say, your Marks and Spencers or your Waitrose, but you can get some really good stuff in them places as well. I miss Waitrose. Right, are they too hot to handle? For me, no. No, they're alright. They're actually right at my kind of spice street. But if you're a bit sensitive to it, if you're a little bit sensitive to spice, then maybe go easy. Or maybe get some mayonnaise on them just to maybe cool them down a little bit. There's a massive sense, and I think it comes with the internet. There's a massive shift, should I say, towards kind of challengey kind of stuff. Barometers with, is it too hot to handle? You know, spice barometers and chili barometers. I think that boils down to the internet, really. I think these companies have worked out that if it's going to be hot, if it's going to be spicy, if you're going to challenge a mate to a bag of these, then it might end up on YouTube. And I think that's the whole point. It's marketing and branding in its own self. Because, yeah, I'm standing here eating them, and you guys are watching, and you could well go and buy a bag. These companies are not stupid, they've worked it out. I'm actually glad there's a lot of spicy stuff now these days, and there's a lot of people buying and eating spicy potato chips and crisps and wedges and beef burgers and Carolina Reaper hot dogs and that sort of thing, because it's a bit of fun. It's a bit of fun. If you're a spice fan, they're not going to blow your brains out. If you're sensitive to spice, they might a little bit. It's like a paprika-y kind of paprika spice, kind of double Cajun chicken style flavouring on there, I'd say. Something you'd find from probably the south of America. That sort of kind of spice. Rather than a Mexican or a massive chili spot. Wherever these Carolina Reaper come from. South America, I think. I'm going to rate them. I like the fact that the skins are on them, and you can taste the potato skin. Love that fiery kind of spice. There's a little bit of a, look, a little bit of a sweaty top lip going on, so they're quite spicy. But I like them. I like them. I like them enough to give them an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 for the McCain Firecracker Wedges. Please put your comments in the comments box, subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews, give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom! Cheers!